Vizio is targeting the premium market with their new and updated Thin Light Touch for 2014. It has a 1080p display and Intel Core i7 processor on the inside with Iris Pro graphics. So you actually will be able to play mainstream games at a decent frame rate on this notebook. Let's give you a quick tour. The design should be familiar for people who have seen Vizio's notebooks before. It's an all aluminum design. You have an LED down here on the right hand side. It's a very clean and minimalist aesthetic with a HDMI and USB 3 on the right, and on the left hand side another USB 3 headphone jack and the power adapter. So you won't find an SD card slot, something that we've lamented in the past, but again, this is more of a refresh than a total overhaul of the line. You have a traditional style keyboard right here with pretty decent travel, good sized touchpad. And the screen is definitely one of the best that we've seen in its class. This is not Quad HD like you see with other models announcing at CES, but we certainly love the quality and the viewing angles, and the color is really vibrant coming off of this. So we'll give you an example of the video quality. If we launch a clip like this is some of the highlights from the Rose Bowl, you can see that it's really high resolution and what you would expect from a notebook that'll probably be north of $1,000. This is not an ultrabook per se, but Vizio says that you'll get about 7.5 hours of battery life, which is pretty good for a notebook of this size. A lot of people that are looking for a 15-inch system with premium specs, including 802.11 AC, will be impressed with what the Thin Light Touch has to offer. This is Mark Spoonauer with Laptop Magazine, and this is our first look at the Vizio 15.6-inch Thin Light Touch at CES 2014.